Hello, my beautiful people. So today, I don't really know what we're making, but we're gonna do some grilled chicken in the air fryer, and we are going to, I guess, do some mac and cheese. I got Velveeta. Then I also got this, but I kind of want to try this for tomorrow. And yeah, let's go for it.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Ju made it.
Okay. So I have this chicken seasoning. Alright, yeah. So I took some chicken out earlier this morning, and now we're finna prepare that. So we have our chicken right here. I have a cutting board somewhere. Have our cutting board. We have a knife collection over here. I'm gonna go and clean my hands. Over here, and I can throw it to the side. Today I'll be cooking with my air fryer, which is over here in this corner. And I'm glad I looked in here because this still has, what's your name on it? I'll clean this out before we cook anything else in here. Alright, air fryer is clean. Huh? It wasn't. Air fryer is cleaned out. We're gonna wash this chicken, throw it in the chopper. I like to cut out the fatty parts. I'm just gonna chop she up into, I guess, squares. However you like it. You can do the whole chicken breast if you like. I like to chop mine up. I don't know why, but I do. I like square chicken bites. Really, they're chunky. Just the fatty part. might do a chicken omelet in the morning because I sure cooked this other piece. You eat that much chicken?
Probably not tonight. I don't think I'm gonna do sitting there stuff for omelet too.
So you gonna say that? Let me prepare that. Let me just put it over here. Okay. Now.
Prepping it tonight and get ready for tomorrow.
Huh?
I'm just prepping on up later on tonight to get ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, you cooking your omelet or you just gonna cook it tomorrow?
Cooking my own.
Where's the chicken seasoning? Okay, I need Finay. You're seasoning the chicken.
I'm on a bonsai tree.
Hold on.
Went
I'll
to
go
the
to that
store.
place and get one.
I was went to the store in the morning.
No, that was in Huntsville.
Oh.
But it's a place here that sell them. The Oriental store. I think last time I went in there they had them. I gotta go back there anyway because I gotta get
Seasoning.
some Chinese stuff. Like they food, they utensils.
Yeah, I saw different like that. I want that pot, that rice pot recently.
The stir fry.
Yeah.
I don't know if I trust you doing stir fry in here. I don't know whether you see they do that somewhere else first.
Yeah, same.
I'm trying to have you
Oh,
burn
no, I
down
ain't
your
trying to.
bun.
They ain't gonna do it here. Yeah, no. And there's not gonna be no time soon. I get that. I want the other thing though.
What is that?
I don't know the name of it. I just remember what it was next time we go up there. I just remember how it looked.
Talking about that hat?
Oh yeah, that's one of the things. So yeah, that had. But it was like a pot, not a pot, like a skillet.
That wok. Ain't that like the stir fry?
Mm-mm.
Which one are you talking about?
Not that big one, not that big one. There's another one. So it's a couple stuff that I said I wanted to get. Alright, I made a whole list and I walked through it. It's already another one. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna just do this whole thing again with the other chicken breast. And I'll show y'all the results. Okay, so the first batch of chicken is in there. We have mac and cheese. I don't feel like I have to show y'all how to make box mac and cheese, because everybody made box mac and cheese. You can burn up box macaroni and cheese. However, it's box macaroni and cheese. Alright. Now, my camera needs to get together because they see me out of my But, yeah, they've been doing that today for some reason. I don't know if I chose up in the center. I don't know. I might not make no rolls today because we had bread yesterday. I might save the rolls for that time. I was gonna make rice, but since we already got pasta, hold on to that. Now do scallop potatoes probably tomorrow. Huh?
What we cooking tomorrow?
We have pizza. We have raw shrimps. We have
Shrimp
salmon.
pasta tomorrow?
Huh?
Shrimp pasta for tomorrow?
We can do shrimp pasta tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll cook you shrimp pasta.
Yeah, we got Alfredo. Oh, I thought we
I
were
got
supposed to. Yeah, we got some.
Now you might want to get the other stuff that you add on top, like for that extra pizzazz, the little extra razzle dazzle.
Tell me what to do.
Okay. So, like I said, box. We prepare this for in the morning, and then we have that, which I'm finna check. Well, I use the chicken seasoning, but that's the only seasoning I use because, you know, I said I'm trying to start this diet and I'm not trying to do too much. However, it's okay though.
Yeah.
I feel like that's my problem. I be like, it's missing something. I add too much, and I'm trying to stay away from doing that. It's straight though.
I feel like they be able to take time to start. Like,
It's been started. You will sleep. You had intentions of going to sleep when it started kicking up in the first place.
that yeah. Took too long to start.
Baby, when I said I made the comment, I was like, it's actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. You were like, no, it's straight. It had some action going on then.
Yeah, a little bit of action. They had like a lot of pop-ups, and I guess I was expecting more.
But what was you expecting, like from the first movie?
Yeah.
The first movie didn't have that much going on.
It had a lot.
If anything, it was the quality, like it was a little bit better because it wasn't filmed from the what's name perspective like the first movie.
Yeah, that was like first I didn't think they did it from their cell phone. And like they did it from their cell phone.
Alright, second batch of chicken is in the air fryer. I'm gonna stir up these in the box mac and cheese. We're not doing bread today. We're not doing. I should have did some steamed vegetables, huh? I got carrots, broccoli. I should have did that first then. And I don't have the energy for steamed vegetables today. Probably because I really ain't been eating today. Like, I only had a pizza today. I had like little, you know, quick little 1-2 pieces. That's what I ate today. I scratched. And that's about it. Tried to handle some stuff at least. Oh, that's what I meant to tell you. So boom, okay. I actually never told y'all the story of how I even got this apartment. I said it was a long story, but it's a short story. I'm gonna just sum everything up and just tell y'all what happened. Okay, long story short, I originally supposed to got a 2-bed, 2 baths. Okay, they told me to move in at December the 3rd at 1:15. That's the day I was supposed to move in. She already sent the lease for me to sign. Of course, I didn't sign it because, you know, you don't just sign stuff. I came up here the day before. So I came up here December the 2nd and I checked out the unit. The unit was not ready. The unit had stuff everywhere. Okay? I didn't say nothing. I waited till December the 3rd. I walked up there. I was like, you know, hey, I'm Kayla Jones. It's 1:15. Here's the monies. Let's get it popping. Oh, well, Miss Jones, do you have to move in today because your unit is not ready? Why the fuck would you tell me a date and a time? I have a U-Haul. I have my cousins here to move me in. Hell yeah, I gotta move in today. Like, what you mean? I waited from 1:15 up until 6 something. Mind you, they closed at 5. She stayed behind because she claimed that, you know, a lot of people unit wasn't ready. I was not the only person that moved in. It was like 14, 13 people that moved in on the same day at different times. And we all outside the leasing office waiting. Mind you, pandemic, coronavirus, you can't even go into the leasing office. You got to knock on the door, wait for somebody to come outside, you know, childish, like back in the days type stuff. Alright, I'm patiently waiting. We finally get this apartment. And, oh wait, hold on, pay my windows. Back with the fat boy. Tell our teammates, hey, fat man. Fat man looking like, girl, I just woke back up. Please don't. But anyway, yeah, I got this apartment and I told Mo to go check it. Mind you, when you get an apartment, you have to have renter's insurance. So I had to call the insurance company, get the address and stuff switched over. So I told him to go over there and go look at it. He was like, yeah, straight. It's a 2-bed, 1.5 bath. I was like, whatever, I'll take it. At this point, I've been waiting all day to move in. I have all my stuff packed up, all his stuff packed up. I can't. We got done moving in here at like 1 something in the morning, so December the 4th, and that's when we got settled in. Mind you, it's a 2-bed, 1.5 bath, so my lease has changed because they don't charge the same for less space, basically, and it's a townhome, which I'm okay with. That's fine with me. Okay, so today is January the 3rd, so it's been a month. I'm trying to pay rent before the 5th because, you know, they throw on a little late fee or whatever. But she told me last month, she was like, oh, you know, I brought it up. She was like, well, I see that this is different and this is your new, you know, amount. But I had to pay, like, had a money order ready, so I paid more because I was supposed to get in a 2-bed, 2 baths. But I'm not in a 2-bed, 2 baths. She was like, okay, well, we're going to credit. All right, boom. So New Year's passed. I knew they were going to be closed the 1st and the 2nd. Cool. Today the 3rd. Y'all open. While I knock on the door, somebody I never even seen before opened the door. He was sweet as a button, though. Don't get me wrong. He was sweet. He didn't know what the hell was going on. He was just like, oh, I'm going to have to just wait till somebody come back and let them know. I was like, okay, but let them know that they need to email me my username and my credited amount so I can pay the rent. Okay. But before that, I had already went to lease office before New Year's so I can get this straight because I already knew it was going to be some BS. They was like, they're going to call me back. Have I got a phone call? No. So, I don't know. Do they want their rent money? Or do they want me to keep their rent money? They want their rent money? Or they want me to keep the rent money? Either way, baby girl, I done made about 4 attempts to pay the rent. I need to know the credited amount because I'm not giving you the full rent amount when I already gave you extra money before I even stepped foot in this piece. You feel me? Okay? But yeah, that's the long story short. Now, there's a lot of more BS that went in between that, but we're going to let that go. I mean, we're here now, so we're going to let it go. But yeah, that's the long story short. So you found it?
Yeah, I found it. We're cold out there.
I know it is. Fat man up.
See? I seen I walk out the door. Let me get Jack.
So yeah, y'all. That's what happened. But once again, I'm grateful. We're here. We have a place to lay our head. Ain't no back and forth, you know. It is what it is, but I'm not finna beg nobody to get nobody their rent. I'm sorry, that is not how this game works. If anything, you supposed to be like, hey, I noticed you have a credit amount on your yes on my account. Thank you for, you know, telling me. Bless you, babe. So yeah, I mean, I'm just a little confused. Let me check this chicken. Come on, fat boy. Checking the chicken. We'll let this sit for another minute or two. We're gonna go and stir this. Ooh, just gonna poop right there in my hand. Did you fart or did you like boo boo? Cause that kind of stank. Oh snap! I dropped the shell. You are pushing. You are pushing. Okay, so the chicken is out the air fryer. I can add a little razzle dazzle to this mac and cheese, you know. Maybe a slice or two of cheese, some pepper, whatever you like. I like pepper and extra cheese. A little dash of milk or whatever y'all like. That's cool. It's cool or whatever. And this is my little meal for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a dude, you know we don't have?
What?
We don't got no orange juice. You drank all the orange juice?
When?
That's what I'm asking. What happened to the orange juice?
You know we not orange for some days.
When?
We been out.
Probably because I said I ain't been drinking no orange juice. And then now we ain't got no damn orange juice. Wow. So you going to the store to get some more?
Right now?
No, in the morning. For breakfast tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. So that's it. Let me show it to you. Boom. Letting that cheese and milk tone in there. And boom. That chicken. So yeah. That's what we have. And that's what we're doing. This is my front room. And we have Fat Man here tripping. Did he eat?
He ate a little bit.
Like John Burger.
He burped a little bit too, but he's been fussing and farting.
Fussing and farting. Well, guys, that's it. And we'll see you guys for the next vlog. Oh, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you like. And we'll see you guys for the next vid. Bye.
Deuces.
Fat Man said bye. Ain't that right, Fat Man? Oh, girl, never mind.